Come test drive the 2023 Golf R. It's a Golf with a pinch of racing mixed in for good measure. Tasty! This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, remote keyless entry, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, electronic stability control, traction control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.